Greetings to all. Welcome to RKIT Hub Institute. I am Kavita from RKIT Hub. Today I will explain how can you use text to column command in Excel. So let us start. How can you use it? So let us start. How can you use text to column option in Excel? This is the table in which there are different information, different column. First column is address, in which there are house number, sector name and city name also. Our requirement is that we want to display house number in separate column like as house number column, and sector name should be displayed in location column, and city name should be displayed in city column. So for displaying this option, we can use the text to column. So for implementing separate information is separate column, first of all select the column. Select the column. After that click on data tab. In the data tab there is a option text to column. So click on the text to column. Here there are two types of option, delimited and fixed width. Delimited means which type of character you used between the words, and delimiters are like as tab, semicolon, space and another symbols also like as dollar sign. We use space between the words, that's why we use delimited option, and click on next button. Here you can notice delimiters are tab, semicolon, comma, space and other. So you check on space command because you use the space between the words, that's why check on space. And here in the option you can notice all information has been displayed in separate column, house number, sector and Soniper. That's why click on next. In the next command there is one option, destination. Destination means from which you want to display the information, and here you can also notice the house number has been highlighted. If you click on finish, then information will be start from first column means address. All information has been separated but start from address column, but this is the wrong because house number display in address, sector name display in house number and location display in city name display in location, and city is empty. This is the wrong. So press Ctrl Z. Ctrl Z is the undo command, and again click on text to column, delimited option, click on next button. Here space, then click on next again. So notice destination command. Destination means from which location you want to display your data. So that's why click in destination, then delete the previous reference, then click where from which you want to display the information. For example, I click in B2. B2 means B column and 2 row because I want to display this information from the house number column. That's why I will click here. Then click on finish command. So you can notice all information has been accurate display. House number in the house number column, and sector name display in the location column, and city name in the city column. So with the help of text to column option, you can convert your into column. Here we have the another example also of text to column command. See this data carefully. In this data, mixed information displayed, account number, transaction ID and amount also with CR symbol. And our requirement is that we want to display amount in separate column in amount column. So for doing this task, first select the column, then click on text to column. In this option, fixed width option is check on, but you have to check on the delimited. In the previous task, I also explained what is the meaning delimited. Delimited means which character used between two words. So dollar sign used between the amount and previous words. That's why check on delimited. Then click on next. Here you can notice comma option is check on, but before amount dollar sign has been used. So that's why check off it and check on other symbols and type the symbols dollar, and in the output you can notice amount has been separately displayed. This is the amount. So click on next button, and here destination we will be display amount in the next column. That's why previous information should be remain same in the previous column. That's why we can't change the destination. So that's why click on finish button. Then this is the message. There are already data here. Do you want to replace it? Then you have to click on OK button. Amount has been separated in the amount column. But from the amount column, we want to delete CR word. For deleting the CR word, first select this column and again click on text to column. Here, delimited option should be checked. Then click on next button, and in the next option, space option should be checked because space used between the amount and CR. That's why we will check space. Then click on next. In the next option, first select the CR column which display in the journal. Then check on do not import column. Do not import column means which column you want to delete. Means you can also notice in the bracket skip is also mentioned. Skip means delete. So that's why check on this option. Then click on finish. In the amount column you can notice CR word has been deleted. Thank you. Have a nice day.